Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sor YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest technology videos. In this video, you will know the best 5 programming languages to learn for beginners. Programming is one of the best career choices in today's world as more and more services are shifting online. It also pays you well. It is also a very challenging job. The most common question by most of the beginners is that which is the best programming language they should start with. It can be quite confusing for a beginners because there are many different programming languages available. It can be very difficult to choose the right programming language to start with or select one that would suit you. However, choosing programming as a career or as a hobby raises many questions in a youngster's mind, and through this video, we will try to help beginners select the languages which could be convenient for them. So in the next slide, you can see the best 5 programming languages for beginners. The first one is Python. Nowadays, Python is regarded as one of the best programming languages for beginners and is recommended by many. It is a free and open source language that is known for its dynamic, flexible, object oriented, procedural, and functional programming style. So, Python is the most common introductory programming language in most of the American and European schools. The next programming language is Ruby. Ruby is simple and readable just like Python. It is a very good language to start with, especially for people who don't have any kind of programming experience. Ruby is a dynamic object-oriented scripting language that is mostly used in the development of websites and mobile applications. It is the language that powers the framework Ruby on Rails, which is behind websites such as Twitter and GitHub. It is commonly used for backend development and popular sites such as Bloomberg, SlideSphere, AirNow, etc. The third programming language is Java. Java is a general programming language. It is also one of the most popular languages in the world. It is a class-based, object-oriented language and designed to be portable, which means that can find it on all platforms, operating systems, and devices. Java is mostly used to build Android applications, desktop applications, and video games. It is also used as a server-side language for enterprise-level backend development. The fourth one is C and C++. C is often used to program system software and also considered as a mother of programming languages. C++ is a powerful language based on C, which has added object-oriented features like classes to the language, along with the virtual functions and templates. C++ is also a very popular programming language and is designed for programming system software. It is still widely used to build games, desktop apps, mobile apps, and web apps. C++ is a powerful and fast which has been used to build software such as Adobe Systems, Amazon, PayPal, Chrome, and more. The last and fifth one is JavaScript. JavaScript is called the language of the web. Even though Java and JavaScript sound similar, they are not. It is primarily a client-side scripting language that is used for front-end development. It is easy to learn but not as easy as Python and Ruby on Rails. So it is important to understand that no language is perfect in itself, and it is best to consider your requirements and choose the programs accordingly. So if you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to your friends and also like our videos. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.